Hi, I'm Susan Speck-Oram, and there's my dog Abby, and I am the author of Shore Lodge and two other thrillers in the Millersville Thriller Series. So when boxes of books come, it's always an exciting event for an author. I've sold enough copies at the local bookstore that I ordered more. So I've got The Thieves here, based on a strange story about the home we live in, where hundreds of thousands of dollars was found in our house after the people died in a mysterious way. And then there's Abby again. We've got Cabin 8, and that is based on recurring unsettling dream that I had, and also a strange man who was walking around our neighborhood wearing a long red robe, and he followed me when I was walking at night with the dog, the cute dog. But anyway, there are many more stories behind The Thieves, Cabin 8, and Shore Lodge. And so sign up for my newsletter if you'd like to find out more secrets and stories behind my writing. Thanks very much. It's Susan Speck-Oram. Bye-bye.